Good morning from El Nido. You're probably thinking, what's he doing in the dark with his torch? Well, we've had a power cut, which means the battery on our main camera has not been charged and we've only got GoPro batteries.
Look, I said to Graham, look, it's a challenge. A lot of people that we've met on our travels have said, how was the new GoPro? Well, check this out and you're gonna have to answer yourself whether you can vlog
Exactly.
with a GoPro, especially if you're going on holiday, then you can totally make the decision.
Yeah. All right, I think you should always get ready in the dark, babe. She was quicker than she is normally in the light. What's all that about?
Oh yeah, maybe because I can't faff around. Like,
yeah.
I don't know how the result is.
Oh, brilliant. After 13 years together. One way to make it go faster is to turn off all the lights.
So this is the smoothie place to come to, but it is closed. Which I did try and tell Graham, by the way, but
no, I thought they were open. I thought they were open at 6.
Yeah, I thought I heard say the lady 7.
We haven't got time, but I mean, look at the menu.
Oh, it's so good.
We've got glow smoothie bowl, superfood toppings, gluten-free granola, coconut cream.
What's going on, babe?
Well, the falafel pizza place is open at 6:30 in the morning. So who defines breakfast as just cereal or toast? Have a falafel pita in your life for breakfast. Beautiful. Check this out. Full-on falafel pizza. Ah. I thought you didn't want any.
That's really good falafel.
You ready, babe?
Yeah, better take my shorts off, babe, because we're gonna go through the water. Babe, say hi in the back.
Yeah, I'm in the back. I'm the captain, I'm the steerer.
I was just going to say, I'm Captain Theo, navigator. No, okay, I'll be Theo, the navigator. Graham is captain and steerer. We're on board. We got the kayaks delivered.
And we're about to enter the Big Lagoon.
The Big Lagoon. So this is kind of a big deal. This has been like, you know, everyone wants to go here, right? Yeah. So far, I must say, not many boats, babe.
Not many boats, but early.
Yes. I'm seeing a lot of blue, crystal blue water. It's gonna look good.
I'm knackered already.
All right, I'll help you, babe. By the way, check out my wooden pedal. Love it. Yeah, let's go.
Wave, go on, go, go, go. Pedal, 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 pedal. So it's currently about 2 feet deep right now, which is kind of cool. You can see how beautiful it is.
If you're not going to work out or do anything, can I have the lighter paddle, babe? This
No,
is like,
no.
This is solid wood, babe. It's really heavy.
No, this is my paddle.
Give me your paddle. Please.
No, come on, it's a good workout for you. Come on. Come on.
Babe.
We're not here for fun, Theodore. See, this guy's got it just right, like me. She's doing all the work, and oh, crash! For the video, for the video. Oh! Almost had a fatal crash, guys. Oh, my heart was going, babe. With yours? The reason why I've got a top on and Theodora's got a shirt on is basically because we've been sunburned like crazy on our last few videos, and we've been going on tours as well. So we are not making the same mistake again.
I was wearing factor 50 the whole time. I do not burn usually. And my bum got fried at Apple Island snorkeling with the turtles. Really attractive moves there, babe.
You not hear the music?
Yeah.
He's banging.
Oh, babe, you're feeling it. Oh, we've got new passengers coming in, babe.
Let's go to the next spot. We're at Secret Lagoon, only it's not so much of a secret. So to get through to the Secret Lagoon, you've got to go through this cave.
Here we are. These rocks are crazy, and our guide actually told us that they're 250 million years old. That's pretty insane. Let's be honest, this beach is pretty sick.
Yeah.
The palm trees, and like these rocks, the palm trees, the colours.
Wow. That's got to be our thumbnail for this video, surely.
Yeah. Graham, who's ex-dive master, has put a load of toothpaste in our glasses, which is a top tip, but we need to wash it out, so.
Alright, just come out a little bit further. Okay. Here we go. Oh shit.
Okay, are we in vlog position?
Okay, we're vlogging on the end of the ship. I don't know why we're doing this because I think we're going to fall in. Anyway, we're here at Simizu Island. Simizu Island. And look at the water, how epic is it? It's beautiful. We're stopping off here for lunch.
It's literally insane. This is what you expect, really, isn't it?
It's insane.
So pretty.
And guys, can you let us know in the comments already how the vlog is going so far with only the GoPro? I'm really intrigued to see this footage. I'm really intrigued. So yeah, let's see what you guys think as well.
This is unicorn fish.
Unicorn fish?
One of the best fish here in Palawan.
Oh, lovely. It looks awesome.
Did you take the skin?
Awesome. That's just for me? That one's just for me?
For all of you.
Okay. Okay guys, we are at Seven Commando Beach. It is Paradise Beach. There's actually not that many boats here, which is cool. Looks like there's some little shops here. We can buy coconuts, coconut water. This towel is literally big enough for 3 people. So guys, we want to talk to you.
Do we?
Yeah.
We're pregnant. That's how it starts.
So this is the last stop on the tour, guys. Seven Commando Beach. It's a really beautiful beach.
Yeah,
We're
stunning.
here for about an hour, so we're literally going to have a little siesta, I think, right?
Yeah, nice.
And then we're heading back to El Nido.
Nido, El Dorado.
Alright, 3:15 and we're back on the mainland in El Nido. It's been an epic day. Actually, quite surprised how little touristic it was.
Yeah. Tour A, got thumbs up from me. Delicious. And we're gonna leave the vlog here, aren't we, babe? So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see where we're headed next, then make sure you subscribe and check in again, and we'll see you in the next video.